heard some breaking news. We've just gotten a decision in that ongoing fight between protest groups and the city over whether they will be allowed to protest during the upcoming DNC.
Joni is live with more on that ruling that just came down.
Good morning. That legal battle started back in wintertime, and a large protest group has been in court every time it went to court. The ruling issued overnight. Both sides were supposed to go to court and hear it this afternoon, but the ruling came out this morning. The Coalition to March on DNC says this is a matter of their free speech, and a federal judge wrote that the city does not need to alter a route that it offered the protest group that is near the United Center. This protest group wanted to be within sight and sound of United Center, and now a federal judge has said that the city has met the requirements. They are allowing the protest to be United Center adjacent, is how the city put it. It allows protesters to be near their intended audience. Initially, the city was trying to steer those protesters 3 to 4 miles away. Then they offered this compromise. The ACLU did not take a side in this, but says there is concern about free speech at conventions.
Yesterday, the police superintendents talked about shutting things down if they, quote, if something happened. He was a little vague about that, but the idea that if 1 or 2 people in a large group of people do something that's amiss, the idea that you would try to close the protest down or limit the protest or change its route or move people back, I think those are the kind, that's a thing we worry about. I think you also worry about, the notion of curfews or bridge liftings as we saw in 2020.
Well, Superintendent Snelling did talk about protests and said if there was any violence or illegal acts, that's when police would move in. This group went to court every time, and in the meantime, over the course of this year, has been staging protests throughout the city. As you know, they've been practicing and preparing for this convention. Meanwhile, both sides are still supposed to meet in federal court this afternoon. Reporting live at the United Center, I'm Joni Lum. Back to you.
The saga continues. Thank you, Joni.